All right, so you want to buy the What If meme coin on Robinhood because you have heard that meme coins on the Robinhood chain are taking off, especially What If. So in this video, I am going to show you step by step how to buy any coin on the Robinhood chain using What If as the example, but you can do this with any other coin using your MetaMask wallet, plus a number of other ways that you can get access to this potentially very, very early. So make sure you pay attention because this is very important and these things may actually fly. So let's get ready because we are starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta Thans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta Thans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and if it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And today I'm going to show you step by step how to buy the What If token or any other Robinhood chain token on the Hood chain. It's very easy. It's not hard to do. We're going to dive right in step to step or step by step. So let me show you how you do that. All right, so let me start by showing you how to do this on MetaMask, and I'm going to show you how to do this with their own wallet right after using their website. But I use MetaMask, so let's go to MetaMask first. By the way, if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, don't worry. I'll leave a link in the description down below how you can set one up under 5 minutes, and I'll also leave the link somewhere up here so you can watch that first and continue with this video if you need to. And as you can see here at the top right, I have one of my MetaMask wallets that I use for presentations, and I have funded this with $50 worth of Ethereum on the base chain. But you're gonna want to do this on the Robinhood chain, and any coins or any tokens on Hood need to be through the Robinhood chain. You find them on Solana, scams. Also, I also wanna tell you here, this is very important, there's no Hood coin or official Robinhood coin. That may come later, but as of today, which is the 27th July, 2026, there's no official coin. Might you get an airdrop? We'll see. But what we're doing, we're trying to invest early by buying some of these tokens on the Robinhood chain, if that makes sense. So the first thing you want to do is add the Robinhood chain to your MetaMask or any other EVM wallet. And you can do that by going to docsrobinhood.com and copying these parameters into your wallet. Let me show you exactly how you do this. You go to your MetaMask wallet up here, and where it says all popular networks, you click that, and you go to custom over here, and you add a custom network. All right, so for network and name, you just put Robinhood chain. For the default RPC, you just add this one over here. Chain ID 4663. Make sure you use the left one, not the right one. The right one is a test net. And then for symbol, you put ETH. And for Block Explorer, just put robinhoodchain.com.blockscout. And that's it. So now we're in the Robinhood chain over here under your customs tab, but we don't have an Ethereum. We need Ethereum on the Robinhood chain. Now, the easiest way to get your Ethereum on the Robinhood chain, rather than bridging and getting too technical, is just to come to Uniswap over here, connect your wallet, and then select Ethereum up here on base or wherever you have your tokens, and then select Ethereum, but make sure you use the Robinhood chain version over here. This is by far the easiest and fastest way to do this. Click max or however much you want to invest, and just click get started. Review, continue, and swap. Obviously confirm. Yes, there are some fees, but this is a lot faster and the fees are not significant. As you can see, the transaction is confirmed. So if I click back to home over here and reopen my wallet, you will see Robinhood chain and I have my $50. From 49.10, it went to 47.56. You lost a couple of dollars, but it's a lot easier and a lot faster. Otherwise, you would have to come over here, click bridging, and use Arbitrum Canonical Bridge. That takes about 10 minutes, or layer 0 and so on. And you can read the instructions how to do this yourself, but it gets a little bit technical, and the way I showed you is the easiest way by far. So with that said, let's see how you can actually buy What If or any other tokens. And for that, we're gonna use Dexscreener. And the reason we wanna use Dexscreener is so we can get the right token, which I'll also leave the address down in the description below, but also so you can get a feel of the best way to do this. So we're gonna use Uniswap again, but we're gonna do it through Dexscreener. Let me show you what I mean. So here we are on Dexscreener. This is the Robinhood chain over here. And right at the top, you have the What If tokens over here. And yes, you do want to make sure you have the right token, and I will leave that down below in the description. Okay, so What If is sitting at a 7.3 million market cap right now. I actually wanted to get it down here, but I went on vacation and I missed this drop over here. So we got in a bit late, but we did make the call at around 6 million or just under. And I do believe this can do a lot better. This can go a lot higher, but regardless, this is a way to invest in the Robinhood chain, or indirectly invest into it. Of course, do your own research. I actually made my own video on What If and why I believe it's a good coin to buy. I'll leave the link to that video down below, as well as at the end of this video. So let's continue here. Now, the reason I brought you the Dexscreener is so you can actually see prices and so on, so you can see the entry levels and what I said in the other video, but also so you can have a clear picture. What you want to do is you want to click right here, Trade on Uniswap. If you click that, it will open up the Uniswap window right here. What you want to do is you want to select Ethereum and you want to connect your wallet. So either click this button here or this one down here. We're gonna click MetaMask because that's the one we use, but as I told you earlier in the video, you can use any EVM wallet supported. You connect, and then you click how much you want to trade. I'm not gonna put max because you're gonna need some for fees. So for this video, I'm just gonna put 0.015. That's almost $30. And I'm gonna place my order over here. Click confirm, and that's it. You're done. Congratulations. Now, you might notice that your tokens are not showing up here. That's because you need to add it in. And you need to add it in by clicking these 3 dots over here and importing your tokens. Now, I have a bit of a technical error on my wallet over here, so I contacted support, but no issue. Your tokens are in your wallet, so that your tokens are not lost. And the way to see that, this is very new, so there are gonna be some glitches as well. But the way to see that is actually come to Dexscreener over here. And if you click Trade on Uniswap, you will see that if you use your What If tokens and trade it into Ethereum again, for example, and click max, your tokens are still seen on chain. So don't worry if you don't see your tokens in your wallet. You need to add it by adding the contract address. Let me just show you where that is one more time. It's right here, but I can't do it right now. But you just copy this, put it into your wallet, and if that doesn't work, then you can always trade in and out of it with no issues. Alternatively, you can also see this in the Uniswap app. So if you come to Uniswap over here, the actual Uniswap app, and you actually search for your tokens, you will see them in here. So if you put your token address in here, for example, you will see your What If tokens are comfortably sitting and the amount you have. And this all depends on wallets. Maybe I need an update. I don't know, maybe just a glitch happened, but everything is safe on chain. That's how you buy the What If token on Robinhood, and that's exactly how you can buy other tokens on Robinhood. You could also use their native wallet, of course, by coming to the Robinhood website over here, click what we offer, and come down to their wallet. And here you can download it on the App Store or on Google Play. And that's pretty easy. So there you go. That's how you buy the What If token on Robinhood. Now, if you want to see why you should buy this token, why you should get the Hood token, potentially always do your own research. My opinion is in this video up here. So watch this video to find out why I personally bought it, or check out this video down here next. Thank you very much. Hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.